Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog on Wix so you can share your expertise, build an audience for your software tutorials, and start growing your brand with a professional content hub in 2026. Let's get into it. First, add the Wix blog app to your site. The first step is installing the blogging engine into your Wix environment. In 2026, the blog isn't just a simple page, it is a fully integrated content management system, CMS, that handles SEO, social sharing, and reader comments automatically. Log in to your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site. On the left-hand sidebar, click the plus icon to add elements, scroll down to Blog, and click Add to Site. Wix will take a moment to generate your new blog and post pages. This is the foundation phase. By adding the official Wix blog app, you aren't just adding a text box, you are activating a powerful database. In 2026, this app is pre-configured to be mobile responsive and high performance, ensuring that your long-form guides load quickly for your viewers on any device. Next, access the Blog Manager and create your first post. Once the app is installed, you need to step away from the visual editor and into the writing environment where you will manage your actual articles. Click on your new blog feed on the page and select the Manage Posts button. This will open the blog dashboard. Click the blue Create New Post button in the top right corner. This is the Creative Hub. In 2026, the Wix blog editor is designed for focus. It provides a clean, distraction-free interface where you can type your headline and body text. Because this is separated from the site design, you can write and schedule posts without worrying about accidentally moving a button or changing a font on your homepage. Next, enhance your content with media and formatting. A modern blog post in 2026 needs more than just text to keep readers engaged. You need to break up your content with visuals and technical formatting. Use the plus icon within the post editor to insert images, videos, or file downloads. Highlight text to apply bold, italic, or bullet points. If you are creating a how-to guide, use the code block or divider options to keep your steps organized. This is the engagement phase. In 2026, readers scan content before they read it. By adding high-quality Blue Hour aesthetic images or embedding your latest YouTube tutorials directly into the post, you provide a rich multimedia experience. Proper formatting ensures your software instructions are easy to follow, reducing eye strain and increasing the time viewers spend on your site. And that's pretty much it. To create a blog on Wix in 2026, add the Wix blog app to your site, go to the Blog Manager to write your first post, and enhance it with media and formatting. Be sure to optimize your SEO and categories so you can be found on Google, and finally, customize your feed layout and hit Publish to share your expertise with the world. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.